Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here opening up two Funko Pop mystery boxes. One from Templar Pop and one is a new one that I've got from Stop, Pop, and Row. But before we get into those, watch this. And we're back. Yeah, these are two different mystery boxes. Let's see. This one, Pop in Missouri, was a $200 box. It was the one that you got the Ghost Rider, glow in the dark, not the black light. The black light Hulk, some Star Wars. There was some pretty cool stuff in there. So I grabbed that box. And then Stop, Pop, and Row. Theirs was you bought. He had numbers you picked, and they were $45 a number, with a chance to win the Blacklight Ghost Rider. So I figured I give it a shot. I bought two boxes. I choose my two numbers, and I figured why not give it a try. First time buying from him. I've seen some videos and watched people. They've gotten some pretty good stuff from him, so I was like, why not? But yeah, I'm pulling these two right now because I'm figuring if I don't get one, hopefully I'll get one of them. But yeah, I'm doubting I got the black light, one, because these are just regular size Funko Pops. So I guess we'll open up Templar's Pops first to see. I've had really good luck with him, just to see what he got. And this was a guaranteed value of $190. Alright. You know how Templar Pops does. He packages really well, so. I got one in a heart stack. But that don't mean anything. Let's see. I'm feeling plastic around it, so soft protector. Oh, they're kind of wedged in there. We'll pull these out first. Bam. Let's see. Jedi Knight Raven. Oh, pretty cool. I think I've already got this one, but that's a pretty cool hit. And yeah, I think this will be an art series. Yeah, Boba Fett. It's a pretty cool one though. 2020 Spring Convention Boba Fett. I don't know if you can tell it, but it's the black and red one. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, now let's get this out. Oh, wait a minute. Feels like a 2-pack. Could it be? Bam. Yes! Okay, I know it's not the glow in the dark, or the black light, but it's the glow in the dark Ghost Rider. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Box is in good condition. Oh man, check it out. Wished it was the black light, but man, I'm happy with that. Have to check the glow out on it. Alright, this is from Templar's Pops. Guess we can do PVG. Let's pull up the old calculator. Well, of course that one ain't working. Are any of them gonna work? Alright, Ghost Rider, $90. That's a pretty good hit. And yeah. Boba Fett is at $50. He's at 40. So I got the 190 back. So that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Alright, I got these two now, and I picked number 2 and number 10. Let's see. Let's do number 2. Back in there. All right. These were no guaranteed values on these. They were ghost, grail, or fail thing. So, yeah. And like I said, they're 2 of the same boxes, so I doubt I got. Well, there's no way I could have got the Ghost Rider, or at least I don't think. I don't know how they go fit it in there. Alright. Good packaging. Bubble wrapped and in a sorter. Here's his business card. Here's one of his stickers. Pretty cool. I'll go on my sticker board. So let's see what we got. guys see it first. And it's upside down, but it looks like a Baby Yoda. Or not Baby Yoda, but Yoda in the hood. Oh, GameStop. Pretty cool one. Pretty cool. And thanks for the sorters. I'll use them for my package if I ever ship anything out. Thing, yeah, just a regular sorter looks like. And again, his card. And his sticker. Let you guys see it first. And it is upside down and it says a Batman Scarecrow. But wait a minute. What? No way. No way. Where's my knife? Is this what I think it is? Alright, slow down. Okay, there's no pop in there. There is a piece of paper and another piece of paper that says I am the winner. I got the Blacklight Ghost Rider. I tried to get him on Funko. Man, that's cool. Both of them. Both of them. What's the odds of getting both? Okay, he says I need to Instagram him or email him. Man, that is cool. Alright guys, if you haven't liked, subscribed, or notified on my channel, please do. And I'm not valuing his because last I checked, this is like 180, so I definitely got the money back. But yeah, please like, smash the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for the next videos that are coming. Sorry for it taking so long. My computer crashed on me Monday. I usually try to get 2 if not 3 in a week, but today it's on, or this week it's only gonna be 1. But come on, what a one to get from Templar's Pops and Stop Pop and Roll. I mean, wow. Yeah. But then again, back on track. Please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bells for the next videos that are coming. And again, mad love to all you people that have subscribed and further future ones that are going to. Mad love to you guys. I'm kind of stuck at 87 now. I'm trying to get to that road to 100. So hopefully I can get there. But yeah, I wish you all a good night or a good day. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.